Hello, good people, and welcome back to my channel. I am back at you with the Shiba Inu update, and we are looking good, I'm gonna have to say. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to stay up to date and ahead of the game on all the current and latest crypto news. I have a lot of content coming, and I will be keeping you up to date. As soon as this information drops, I scour the internet and multiple sources to find the latest news. So stay tuned for that. Before we get into it, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get into the video. So we are looking at Shiba Inu, and it is looking great today. I mean, it's just starting last night. It started getting back up from where we were originally. I mean, it was looking grim, to say the least. And I know a lot of people may have been down, and there was a lot of sell-offs going on, but there is so much good news surrounding this token, and the developers are so dedicated. I mean, I truly appreciate. I believe that the followings behind these meme tokens, the Shiba Inu and DOGELON Mars tokens and meme tokens very similar to it, they have some of the best followings and positive outlooks in the crypto game. I mean, I gotta say, I definitely love it. So as we know, we have Shiba Swap, and you can go and just trade your tokens on a decentralized exchange and get those tokens that before they hit major exchanges. And I want to get into a nicely written article by Full.com, and gets in if you invested $100 in Shiba Inu on January 1st, here's how much you'd have now. But before we get into that, I just want to give you a reminder that there is a link in the description. If you want to get into investing stocks and cryptos, you can secure some free crypto in there and get free stocks with Webull. They are doing 6 free stocks, I think, right now. So Shiba has delivered what may be the highest single-year investment return we've ever seen. It's very, very nice. Multiple factors help push SHIB to its historic gains. However, the world's hottest cryptocurrency looks destined to give back most of its monstrous run-up. But that is one way to look at it. But if you see the catalyst that we have behind here, I mean, we are in the metaverse here. I mean, we've got the Oshiverse coming, and I'm going to be getting into that here at the end here. So stay tuned, because I've got a lot of information on that, and that is looking great. Patience has paid off immensely over the long run for stock investors. Since 1980, the benchmark S&P 500 has averaged an annual total return, including dividends, of roughly 11%. However, cryptocurrencies have done a wee bit better in a much shorter time frame. And I'd have to say, I mean, I love the kind of gains that you can get in the crypto market. Just the best in the games. I'm also invested in stocks as well, but I seem to just do a little better in my crypto investments. Just since the March 2020 valuation bottom, the aggregate value of the digital currency has soared more than 1,400% to 2.2 trillion over a 5-year stretch. The total value of the digital currency has skyrocketed almost 14.8 million%, and that is insane. But even this jaw-dropping increase has been put to shame by the year-to-date performance of the meme coin Shiba Inu. If you put $100 to work in Shiba Inu on January 1st, you're incredibly rich today. Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain that effectively came out of nowhere to, at one point, find its way into the 10 largest digital currencies by market cap. When 2021 began, investors had the opportunity to buy the little-known cryptocurrency for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros, 73 per token, according to CoinMarketCap. If you were wondering why the price was so low, keep in mind that when Shiba Inu was launched in August of 2020, it had a circulating supply of 1 quadrillion. But as of December 16th, these tokens were changing hands on cryptocurrency exchanges for 403.305, eating up zeros after the decimal point means Shiba Inu has delivered a year-to-date return of 273,873%. Wow. If you were to have invested $100 into SHIB at the stroke of midnight on January 1st, you held on to the stake throughout the entire year, you would now be sitting on a position valued at $45,273,973. Wow. That would nearly get you into the top 0.01% of the wealthiest individuals in the U.S. I mean, no Squid Games involved. And look at that, $100. I mean, geez. How does an asset appreciate by 45 million% in less than a year? Well, let's find out. The question likely coming to mind is, how is it possible for an asset to gain 45 million%? Well, let's find. To begin with, the cryptocurrency space is designed with an inherent bias. For instance, it's relatively easy for short sellers, investors who want the price to drop, to bet against publicly listed stocks through an online brokerage. The same isn't true with the less regulated cryptocurrency space, although some crypto exchanges do allow investors to short sell well-known digital currencies. Betting on downside in the crypto space isn't common. This provides a natural buy bias, especially for lesser known coins that are riding a wave of momentum. So we have a lot of cryptos that are going to catch on to this, and we are just going to catch a lot more momentum on this token. I'm not going to get into any more of this, but that is basically what is going on. We are going to be catching a huge momentum. I mean, just look at the price. It does my heart good to make this video for you. But last but not least, we have some amazing news that was just dropped on the Oshiverse that, I mean, is just insane news. I definitely have to share this with you because this is going to take over. I mean, and this literally could turn this play into far surpass what everybody is even wanting it to be. So this is huge news. Shiba Inu is not playing a game, or is it? After leading the Pupcoin charge through the latter half of 2021, the SHIB token is a lot higher in value than it was at the beginning of the year. Yet the crypto needs something to spice things up and remain both trendy and on brand. Investors are pleased to see SHIB crypto will be able to retain that balance. A Shiba Inu Oshiverse announcement today shows the token is not just another Pupcoin but a metaverse play as well. I'm going to have to say I'm 100% bullish on that news. Shiba Inu has been kicking around ways to beef up its ecosystem since mid-summer in the second half of the year. It launched its own decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap. Meanwhile, it continues to find its token listed across more and more exchanges around the world, broadly increasing exposure. It is now even partnering with the retail trader favorite AMC. And if you don't know, AMC is going to be taking SHIB payments in the next quarter here, and which is only about a week away. So this is pretty great. What's next then? Well, developers have obviously been taking note of the biggest blockchain tech of recent months, following the footsteps of network like Polygon, ticker symbol MATIC USD, which has exploded in recent weeks. It is creating its own layer 2 solution, the Shibarium. Shibarium Layer 2 projects will allow Shiba Inu to have its own blockchain, vastly increasing the potential for future growth. Now, what do we need other than this kind of news? This is insane. Now, a new project, the Oshiverse, stands to be one of the most ambitious projects undertaken by Shiba Inu developers. Planned for launch on the Layer 2 Shibarium chain, the Shiba Inu Oshiverse will help the token compete in a new and booming crypto niche. This morning, developers are invigorating investors as they announce the gaming studio will help develop the metaverse. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this news? I mean, you know, they got William Volk from Activision as they just appointed him on the part of the development team. I mean, this is gonna be insane. It truly can explode into astronomical gains. I hope you guys are staying strong out there, SHIB Army. I hope you are in the gains and on your way to possibly being millionaires. With that being said, I'm gonna have to let you know that this is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Just giving you my opinion on plays that I am in the market, and I am in Shiba Inu for the long haul. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be catching you in the next one.